Hey, it's Wednesday night. I've got this pulled out for this weekend. Rump roast, chuck tender roast, some 93% ground beef. 93% ground beef. My plan is I'm going to put those two 93% ground beefs in one crock pot. I'll put these roasts in a crock pot. And then I pulled out, it's 10 pounds. So I just don't know how it works up yet. So this is 10 pounds of that 73% ground beef that I bought the other day. I think 73. Hang on, let me see. What is it? Yep, 73% ground beef. So that's all sitting out, and it's Wednesday. So maybe by Friday, it'll be mostly thawed. If not, I'll set it outside Friday evening after work or set it out on my counter. So, yeah, that's just want to let you know that's what's going to be on the meal prep this weekend. Happy Thursday. I sat outside a lot last weekend in the nice weather, and as a fall allergy sufferer, yeah, things are a little rough, right here and right here. Anyway, so I got to get tested for COVID here at work, and as long as that's negative, I'm going to make an appointment to one of the local walk-in clinics and see about getting a shot of something. Give me a shot in the butt. But anyway, so yeah, so today's I sound like I sound in the morning. It is morning, but it's a little later in the morning and I've talked, so usually by now I sound better. But anyway, so yeah, yeah, that's what's going on with me today. I'm gonna get COVID tested and then maybe shot from a doctor. All good. My test is negative. Yay! Hello. I am eating lunch. Well, I'm about to. This is the salsa that I made this past weekend. So this one's a little thicker and a little different. This is my first time eating this one. You could see it on my Sunday's video, I think. So it is 6 ounces of 80-20 ground beef, 6 ounces of 93% ground beef, and salt and salsa. And that is what I'm having for my lunch. Or lunch. It's 11:45. See you next time. I went to the doctor office, and they gave me a shot of steroid, and they gave me some oral antibiotics, and they called in a script for an inhaler. So if I get roid rage or if I get bouncing off the wall in my videos over the next few days, you'll know why. Yeah, because steroids make me like, hey, it's like I've had sugar or something. So yeah, if I'm a little bit wild, just bear with me for the next week or so. Hey there. This is that jicama that I made this weekend. Last weekend, that roasted jicama. And the seasoning was that herbal seasoning. And I think there might have been, I don't know. There might have been Parmesan cheese, but I'm not sure. Anyway, so roasted jicama. And this is 7 ounces of lean pork loin. So that is going to be my supper tonight, y'all. Let's see. I'm sure this is from the cast iron skillet, so. I don't need to add any seasoning to it. So that's going to be my supper. And that's it for the day. Have a good night. A quick tip, after I cook the jicama, I pop it in my freezer just like I usually have done with my other veggies, and then pull it out to let it defrost, and I heated it up with my meat. So I'm treating it just the same as I did with all the frozen veggies, and it tastes really good. Worked out well.